So it's no surprise collagen supplements are very popular in the world of dietary supplements, but if you are looking for a collagen supplement for yourself, you have to be aware of how to tell the difference between one type of collagen and another because they're used for different purposes. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to tell the difference between one type and another type to see which is the best type of collagen for you. So you're probably aware of it, but collagen is a protein. It's a type of protein found throughout the body, our bones, our cartilage between our bones, our ribs, ligaments, tendons. Our skin has collagen. And if you were to look at it under a microscope, it looks like what is sometimes called a triple helix, three chains of amino acids wrapped around each other. That gives collagen its very strong properties. And while people sometimes criticize collagen because it is lacking an amino acid called tryptophan, that's why it's called an incomplete protein, it's also true that collagen is one of the few sources of another amino acid called hydroxyproline. Hydroxyproline is an amino acid. It actually derived from proline, which is another amino acid. And researchers look at hydroxyproline very important when it comes to collagen supplements. When they assay sometimes collagen supplements to see if they're quality or not, they often look for how much hydroxyproline they have. Here's the thing, hydroxyproline, very, very important to collagen production. So it may be possible that your collagen supplement may even tell you how much hydroxyproline it has. Your supplement, if you have one right in front of you right now, may also contain vitamin C. And vitamin C is not only an antioxidant and helps with collagen formation, but one of the reasons why it helps with collagen formation is vitamin C is necessary to make hydroxyproline. So that may be why you have vitamin C in your supplement. Now, there are about 30 different types of collagen, and we're not going to cover all the 30 here because it's not relevant, but I want to show you the three main types of collagen that are going to be found in dietary supplements, and this is going to help you tell the difference. For instance, we have what's called type 1 collagen. Type 1 collagen is found in our bones, in our skin, as well as in our connective tissue, our ligaments, and our tendons. For instance, sometimes people may take collagen supplements or type 1 collagen after they may have maybe tennis elbow or something like that, or golfer's elbow, and they're trying to heal. Okay, but it's also found in our skin. We have, and again, supplement companies, when they get their type 1 collagen, they usually get it from fish. Yeah, fish is a source of collagen found in some supplements, chicken and cow. So these are the three main sources of type 1 collagen. If you have a supplement of collagen with you now, you may even see reference to what's called bovine collagen. Bovine is the fancy word for cow. So again, I'm going to give you this information because the science of collagen is kind of hard to figure out, and sometimes people may not like eating certain foods, and for vegans and stuff like that. So it's important you know where these things come from. We have type 2 collagen. Type 2 collagen is found predominantly in our cartilage, like the cartilage in our ribs, as well as the cartilage between our bones. And type 2 collagen actually has some anti-inflammatory properties. And that's one of the reasons why you're going to probably see type 2 collagen in arthritis supplements, supplements that are marketed to help osteoarthritis, which is the main type of arthritis out there, and rheumatoid arthritis. The idea here is, since type 2 collagen is found in our cartilage, and since this stuff has anti-inflammatory properties, perhaps maybe the type 2 collagen may help alleviate arthritis pain. That's one of the reasons why you may see type 2 collagen in arthritis supplements. So if you were, for instance, had arthritis and we're thinking about this, type 2 is what you're looking for. And again, just so you know the source, companies often get type 2 collagen from chicken, usually the sternum, the breastbones of the chicken, but it could be other areas as well from the chicken, but that's usually where they get type 2 collagen. And then lastly, it should come as no surprise, we have type 1, type 2, and yes, we have type 3 collagen as well. Type 3 collagen is found in our skin as well as our blood vessels. And it makes sense it would be in our blood vessels as well because collagen is a tough protein. and you have a lot of blood going through your blood vessels, and that exerts a force, a pressure against your blood vessels, blood pressure, and you need a tough protein to maintain blood vessel integrity. Okay, so that's why you're going to find it in your blood vessels as well. And where does type 3 collagen usually come from? Cow. So again, I give you this information so you have an idea of where the collagen types are being used as well as what their source is. But let's boil it down to its essence to give you a rule of thumb if you're looking for a collagen supplement for you. Generally, if you're looking for something for wrinkles and maintaining elasticity of the skin and stuff like that, we're looking at type 1 and type 3 collagen. If you're, on the other hand, looking for a supplement for your joint health, arthritis, for instance, then we're looking at type 2 collagen. Again, collagen science is a little funny because it's not actually where I would like it to be, but that's basically the lay of the land to help you understand, again, depending on what your issue might be, what collagen supplement might be right for you. Most supplements give you 1 or type 2, etc. There's not many out there that give you a full spectrum of type 1, type 2, and type 3 collagen. I will link in the description to the only product I've found so far which gives you all of them, kind of covers all your bases. Most of them don't. So check that out if you're interested in that. But that's a quick lay of the land to figure out which collagen supplement might be right for you. The other thing I want to throw out to you, if you are looking at collagen supplements, you need to be familiar with the terminology. And here are the 3 big phrases and terms you need to be familiar with. Collagen peptides. Collagen peptide, a peptide is nothing more than a short chain of amino acids. They take the collagen, they break it up into tiny little short segments called peptides. The other name for collagen peptides, hydrolyzed collagen. Hydrolyzed collagen. So peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, same thing. Big advantage here, collagen peptides, they dissolve well in liquids. So they'd go well in smoothies, or if you want to mix it in juice, etc. Anything that's cold, collagen peptides would be fine. It dissolves very, very well in cold liquids. And I bring up that thing about the cold liquids because the next type of collagen is gelatin. Yeah, gelatin. That stuff that's probably in your kitchen right now. Gelatin is a source of collagen. Now, as you know, if you've probably ever made Jell-O, it doesn't dissolve so well in cold liquids. That's why you gotta put hot water in it before you put it in the freezer, or excuse me, the fridge. But it doesn't dissolve well. But that doesn't necessarily mean gelatin doesn't have any health properties. There is some research on gelatin that does appear to show it may have benefits. And I'm gonna do a follow-up video to this, which will be posted very soon on skin aging, and I'm gonna talk about gelatin. And then the third type is called undenatured type 2 collagen, undenatured type 2 collagen, usually abbreviated in the supplement label as UC2. Remember, type 2 collagen found in cartilage has maybe some anti-inflammatory properties. That's why you may see it in supplements marketed for osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. And again, it can be found in both powder and capsules. It dissolves pretty well. So as you search, the highways and byways of the supplement aisle of your health food store, these are things you're probably going to run into. But mostly these days, you're going to see collagen peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, or undenatured collagen. Sometimes you may see gelatin in a supplement, but usually it's the number 1 and number 3 one you're going to see the most. So the last thing I want to point out to you here before I end this quick video is, do we digest collagen? Can collagen actually get into us to help us build collagen? Remember, collagen is a protein, and like any other protein, when you eat it, you break it up into its amino acids, and it never kind of gets in your body as collagen. Okay, yeah, and I've kind of wondered about this myself over the years, but then I came across this very interesting study. So basically, they took some people and they gave them gelatin, and they measured their hydroxyproline levels in their blood. Hydroxyproline remember, is a very significant part of collagen. It's probably the big all-star player of amino acids in collagen. It's not in a lot of other foods. And it turned out that hydroxyproline in the gelatin was making it through the digestive system of the body and making it into the blood. This is one of the reasons why people are getting interested, if you will, in collagen supplements. The idea is, If you were to take collagen supplement or gelatin in this case, the hydroxyproline gets into the blood and then in turn helps our own production of collagen. At least according to this human study, there does appear to be something to it. I haven't seen too many other studies on this with humans, but this gives me at least some hope for collagen. In the next video I'm going to post very quickly, I'm going to show you the research on collagen and wrinkles. You want to stay tuned for that because it's actually quite interesting. Until next time, gang, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Tell me what you think, by the way, if you've ever tried collagen yourself. Until next time, I'm Joe Cannon. Go out, be safe, and where you can, try to make a difference.